This is going to test the works. It's going to work. The talk and the start. Yeah. This one don't be a test.
Temperature 55 degrees, dew point 31, relative humidity 39%. Wind variable at 3 miles an hour. Pressure 30.27 inches and rising. Erie sunny 59, Dubois sunny 59, Meadville sunny 57, Bradford sunny 58, and Clearfield sunny 57. In northeast Ohio, Akron mostly sunny 59 degrees, Youngstown sunny 58, and Cleveland mostly sunny 63. In southwest PA, Pittsburgh sunny and 56 degrees, West Mifflin sunny 57, Beaver Falls sunny 59, Newcastle 55, Latrobe sunny 55, Washington 58, and Indiana 55. In central Pennsylvania, Altoona sunny 55, State College sunny 55, Johnstown sunny, wind east. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. At 10 a.m., at Butler, sunshine expected today due to the smoke plumes caused by Canadian wild. This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Hazy sunshine expected today.